this one like this and this one. Okay, this is very easy to set up. After that, you just attach this screw. This is HP Laserjet Pro M501 printer, and this printer problem is sometimes paper jam, and you can see here is overlapping and ink is not set on the paper properly, and ink is removing. When I rub the paper, ink is removing from the paper. Okay, today I will fix this printer. Okay, let's start. The printer condition is not very good. And this one comes from the freezer unit, and I will repair this. Here is one screw, and here is also one screw under this cover, and here is also one screw. Okay, firstly I need to open this connector. Okay, let's, and here is also one. Okay, this one I need to open, and here is one lock. This lock, you just pull this here. Here is some connector. Our freezer unit is open, and maybe this freezer film has gone damaged, and I will change this. I need to change this freezer film. Pull this spring. I need to open this spring and release it. Let's open. This side also same way. Pull this screen from here. Okay. And this one is our new, and I have brought this freezer film from our local market. Okay, before I installing this, setting this, I need to clean this. I will not skip this video because I will show you everything. I hope you will watch the full video and you will understanding how to fix this printer. Okay. Now freezer plate is completely clean, and I will use some freezer oil. This one is our thermal paste. And this is our freezer oil. And this one is our old freezer film, and you can see this one is becoming light, and here is some spot on the freezer film, and that's why is the text are removing from the paper. If you see this carefully, and you can also feel that, you can also watch that. Okay, here is also one spot. and this is not able to perform as well as good. Okay. You look at this, the new pizza film, and this one is very smooth and clean. You just clean all this part as you possible to you. Here is the drain to set up this part here, and this set also same way. After set up this, you just take this way, just enter the paper on this paper way and rotate this gear, and it automatically work. If you see this work is perfectly, and that means your setting is completely okay. Okay viewers, now setting the other parts. And before setting this, this one enter the lock. Okay, and here is also 2 screw. Our printer is power up. Let's give the test please. You can see this is okay right now, and here is a no, everything is okay. Think is not removing here. Okay viewers, thanks for watching.